Mossy oak headlamp. This thing has more features in it than I've ever seen in a headlamp. So first of all, it's got a rechargeable battery inside this compartment here, but you can take this out and put normal batteries in there. So it's got dual power. You can also take this off of the mounting system, and this is magnetic. So you could stick this to anything that's magnetic and shine the light down, maybe underneath of a car. Definitely be something useful. Still a couple more features in here that you've never seen before. Another one, when it's off, it glows. So if you were to drop this outside and it's dark out, this actually glows. It's like like one of those like glow sticks. It also has a technology where it turns on and off with the wave of a hand. So look at that, on, off, on, or off, on, off, on. So pretty neat. Another feature it has is a dimming feature. So once you turn it on with the button, which is real simple to use, you then have the option to dim it. You just basically hold it and it goes from low to bright and so on. So let me show you. I'll kind of show you the different. See, it's dimming down. My camera's getting freaked out. And then I'll go back up all the way. It'll blink. That's how I'll know I'm at the top. And then I can flip through the different lighting modes. Got spotlight, and you have your flood, and you have flood and spotlight on all at the same time. So I think this is a pretty neat light by Mossy Oak.